Can I use any USB cable for JTAG Xbox 360 or do I need a specific one?
Hey there, welcome to today's video. In this video, we'll be discussing whether you can use any USB cable for JTAG Xbox 360 or if you need a specific one. If you're into modding or customizing your Xbox 360 console, the answer to this question might be of interest to you. So, let's dive right in.
Understanding JTAG and Xbox 360.
Before we get into the USB cable aspect, let's quickly touch upon JTAG and Xbox 360. JTAG, which stands for Joint Test Action Group, is a debugging interface that allows you to access certain features and functionalities of electronic devices, including the Xbox 360. JTAG is commonly used in the modding community to modify the Xbox 360's firmware and enable customizations. It can provide greater control over the system and allow you to run homebrew software and backups.
USB cable compatibility.
Now, let's address the main question. Can you use any USB cable for JTAG Xbox 360, or do you need a specific one? The answer is you will need a specific USB cable. The reason for this is that JTAG requires a specialized cable known as a JTAG cable, or programmer cable, to establish a connection between your Xbox 360 console and your computer. These JTAG cables are not the same as standard USB cables you use for everyday purposes. They are designed with specific wiring configurations and connectors that enable the JTAG functionality. Using a regular USB cable will not work for JTAG purposes, as it lacks the necessary wiring and components. So, it's crucial to obtain a JTAG cable specifically designed for Xbox 360 modding if you plan to engage in JTAG-related activities.
Where to find a JTAG cable?
If you're interested in obtaining a JTAG cable for your Xbox 360, there are a few options available to you. You can search online for reputable sellers who specialize in modding accessories and JTAG cables. Make sure to read reviews and check the credibility of the seller before making a purchase to ensure you're getting a reliable and compatible cable. Additionally, you may find JTAG cables in certain electronics or gaming stores that cater to modding enthusiasts. These specialized stores may carry JTAG cables or provide recommendations on where to find them. To wrap up, if you're looking to perform JTAG modifications on your Xbox 360 console, it's important to use a specific JTAG cable designed for this purpose. Regular USB cables won't work due to the specialized wiring and components required for JTAG functionality. So, make sure to acquire a JTAG cable from reputable sellers or specialized stores. With the right cable in hand, you'll be able to explore the exciting world of Xbox 360 modding and customization. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gaming-related content. As always, if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy gaming!